Hey everybody, for today's video, me and Midnight here are going over to Knox, Pennsylvania to their Horsethief Days car show. It's going to be fun. Get the old girl out on the road and let's go look at some stuff and plus me talking. Nice looking walk right there. Here we are, we're in Knox for their Horsethief Festival, and today's the car show. We brought Midnight out. We're gonna check out some cool cars. Bring you guys along. Couple vets. The beast. That's cool. A lot of red. Lifted Eagle. That's cool. Mean purple machine. Got the band getting set up. Very nice CJ. Mitsubishi 55 Chevy. '50 Dodge Hornet. That's cool. I like the paint job on the Plymouth. '67 Oldsmobile, I want to say. '83 diesel van. Don't see that every day. Oh, what a night. Couple of vets. Trans Am. I like the blue. It looks good on that. Lightning's here. Volkswagen. SS Camaro. Nice looking Chevelle. Got Midnight out here, clear at the far end. '90s Mustang. It's a good looking truck, I don't care. Like my old truck. We got some cars that way, and then we're gonna go down here to the right and see what else we can find. 392 Hemi. Nice looking Super Duty. Pretty good turnout. Barracuda. Challenger. Like that green lifted Dodge. Nice looking Mustang. If it's a tree, it's real tree. Dodge Survivor. The old Super Duty. 440 Coronet. That's a whole lot of car there. Big old Doge. Delta 88.
I'll take that. Yeah, I believe it. It's a male thing.
Yeah.
Others F100 Survivor. Pretty cool. That's a beauty there. Bonneville. Good looking truck. Couple good looking trucks. A road runner running right down the side of it. Good looking Chevy.
Pebbles.
Pretty good.